Welcome, how can I help you?
Vivo phone camera and music. CNN News number 6. Oh yeah, 36. Numbers 83. Oh boy, 63. Numbers 82. Okay, 62. Numbers 59. 59. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Yes. Congratulations to Weaver Wildest Lottery. Hooray, now a millionaire, you may now go and claim your prize. Hooray, 5-1 for 5 to 6 to 6 to 9.
Hello.
Hey car, guess what just won the lottery, and I am gonna cut this school.
What? Why happen? Why what?
Because I am so sick and tired of you punishing for every little mistake that I'll make. Besides, I'll already have enough money from the lottery to quit this school, so there's nothing you can do about it, ha ha. Oh my god, ice cream truck, how dare you say to your— Shut up, dad. Anyways, you can all you want, but there still isn't anything you can do about it.
Oh my god, ice cream truck. How dare to say that to me? That's it, you're expelled.
Hooray, thank you much, see you soon. Shut up, ice cream truck, great, everyone is Canada now. But, no, stop, ever, phone. That's it, you're grounded for 9 months, and an extra 5 years for getting expelled from school. I will also take away your winning ticket as a punishment day. Phone. No. Ice cream truck, and guess what?
What? Hooray!
Hooray.
Goodbye.
Or maybe just half of it. No. Anyways, go to your sleep right now. That kid should really car luxury acting his age, but at El Haver my $1 million. I'm going to put it somewhere where ice cream truck won't get TP it.